Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Light green color, blue, red, pink, yellow, orange, brown, purple, violet, black, sky blue. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letter A, B, C, letter A to L. Let's trace A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. Green color. C. C for cat. Pink color. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Purple color. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. Brown color. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Orange color. Letter A. B. C. D. Black color. E. F. Light green color. G. H. Yellow color. I. J. Violet color. K. L. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.